Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I bought from Shopmissa and Shein because everything that I bought is so cute. So I'm going to put products to the test and try on some clothes, and I'll let you guys know what you should and shouldn't buy as well. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys how my morning went. So the first thing that I'm going to try is the lip oil. So I actually got strawberry. But it feels so nice on the lips. You guys should definitely pick it up. So now it's time to move on to primers. So this one is actually really nice, you guys, for only $1. I didn't buy a foundation from Shopmissa, so I'm actually going to use this one that I got from the dollar store. I'm also going to use a concealer from Target. So this one is priced at $6. And if you guys haven't tried out this pressed powder, you have to. It's seriously so good. Look how beautiful this blush is, you guys. So there's a rose. I seriously love it. But do you guys like their blushes too? Please let me know. So now it's time to move on to a highlighter. So this one is called Cupcake, and it's very beautiful. I also got a purple palette because I never buy purple shadows, so I really want to go out of my comfort zone. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, it's not that pigmented, but I'm probably going to buy the other palettes to test them out too. And I also couldn't find anything for my brows, so I decided to go ahead and use this one right here. So it's the brand LA Colors, and I paid $1 for it. Now it's time to put some fake eyelashes on. So this glue is super strong, and it keeps my lashes in place all day long. So I used the LA Color setting spray, but there was barely anything left, so I decided to go ahead and use the Too Faced one. So I had to fix my bronzer, you guys, but my makeup looks so good today, but I would love to know what you guys think. And right now I'm actually going to try out the dry shampoo, and my hair really needs it because I worked out this morning, so hopefully that dry shampoo is really good. Like, I'm very picky when it comes to dry shampoo. But anyways, let's go ahead and test it out. I'm actually pretty excited about this dry shampoo because the packaging is so pretty, and I tried out the pink one before. It's really good. It smells amazing. This one is supposed to smell like wild lilies, which probably smells amazing. But anyways, it's supposed to deep clean and volumize, and it's supposed to prevent damage from washing and styling. So here's a closer look of the packaging, you guys. So pretty. Let me know if you guys like the pink one too, but I definitely have to order some stuff again off their website because they seriously have amazing products. But I will say the size is super tiny, but if you travel a lot, these are perfect for only $1. Anyways, now it's time to put my hair down. My hair is so soft today, you guys, because I washed it last night. And I've been using the Garnier Pure Clean Detangler and Air Dry. And it also has aloe extract, so it's seriously an amazing product for only $5. I'll put a link down below, but it smells so good. And all you have to do is spray this all over your hair whenever it's damp, and then just brush it out and let it air dry. And you guys, it will look this nice and so soft. I wish it was a little bit wavy. I probably should have braided my hair, but you know what? That's okay. This smells like perfume, like very strong perfume. Honestly, I like the pink one way better because it has more of like a fresh, clean scent. This one smells like I just sprayed perfume on my hair. It's not that great of a smell, so I don't know how I feel about it now. I guess it's okay. I mean, I only paid $1, so I'm not that upset about it, but I will definitely use it up and probably save it for like vacation or something. Overall, I guess it's worth $1. I just don't care for the smell. And honestly, it does not smell like wild lilies. It just smells like a strong perfume. I don't know how to explain it. It's just not a very nice smell. But this one is specifically for detox. I believe the pink one is more for like oil, so if you work out a lot, then it will just take out that oil immediately. Like this one took out a bunch, but not as much as the other one. I wish I would have bought more. I just really thought I was going to like the green one more. So let me know which one is your favorite, the green or the pink. It's finally time to pick out an outfit. Don't judge me, you guys. I know my closet is a hot mess, but I promise I will fix it. And I recently posted a bunch of clothes on Poshmark, so definitely check it out. So I paid only $10 for this top, you guys. Really good deal, so I highly recommend. It's super oversized, so you can tie the bottom and just wear it with jeans or leggings. So I think I'm going to wear this one, but you guys should definitely check out their website. They have so many cute clothes for such a great price. I'm probably going to shop on there again tonight just to get some crop tops. I also bought these leggings off their website, so it has a bunch of rips on it. So here's the first top, you guys. So it's a neon green color and it says fantastic super big. I love the rose as well. It looks so good with these leggings, and the leggings look just like the ones on Amazon, but I will say it's super thin, so I feel like if I bend over, like the back of it's going to rip. So these are not nice if you want to work out in them, but the Amazon ones are so comfortable and the material is really nice as well. It's very stretchy, but I guess for $10 you can't complain. But I just feel like for an extra $5 you can get something so much better. Overall, it's a really cute outfit. I really love the top, but now it's time to try on the pink one. Oh my gosh, you guys, this top is way better, and it also looks so good with these leggings, so I'm definitely wearing this one today. And look at the neon colors. There's neon yellow and green. There's even red. Oh my gosh, I seriously love it so much. But this one is also priced at $10, so another great deal. So if you guys want to buy these tops, make sure you size down twice because they run super oversized. This one is actually extra small and the other one is a size small. So you guys probably noticed that the green you really have to tie up and the pink one you barely have to tie. So it's a really nice top. I'm very happy with it. And the leggings are starting to grow on me, you guys. I just have to remember that I can't work out in them. But just let me know which one is your favorite. Now it's time to move on to the hair accessories. So this one is from the Crystal collection. You get 2 clips and a pair of earrings which matches the clips. Super cute. I love the big one with a bunch of pearls, and the other one has a small pearl with a bunch of bling around it. Do you guys like this set too? Please let me know. So I always push my hair back, you guys, and I think the big pearl clip is super cute, but honestly I'm not a fan of the smaller one. It just doesn't really stand out, but the earrings are super adorable. I feel like there's missing like a pearl right here or bling. I have to go on their website to see the picture again, but it looks like there is something missing. But don't you guys love how it looks? Super fancy and cute. Obviously if you wear casual clothes then it's not going to look that great, but just imagine with like a black dress or something. So cute. And of course I had to buy this earring set. It's so pretty. So from the Mint collection you get little pearls, gold pearls, and look at this one down here. There's a bunch of bling. I think I'm going to wear this gold pair right here. It's super simple. And look at the bottom ones, you guys. Some more gold with bling. But which one is your favorite? I would love to know. Oh my gosh, you guys, these earrings are so cute. I love them, but I'm not going to lie, I feel some irritation, so I don't think I'm going to make it an hour, but of course I'll keep you guys updated, and I'm also going to try some more products out later, so I'll talk to you guys soon. So it has been a couple of hours since I've talked to you guys, and I'm still wearing the earrings, which is always good, but I will say my ears are starting to get irritated, so if you have sensitive ears, I don't recommend you guys wearing them for more than 3 hours. Hopefully I can find something that won't irritate my ears for $1. We will see. But anyways, it's time to move on to the next product. So I have a sugar lip scrub, and the packaging is so pretty, you guys. So it's black and pink, and I also got the rose one. You guys know I love the smell of roses, so hopefully it smells good. We will see. But I seriously love this packaging, and hopefully it's good. But it just says apply a small amount to wet lips and gently massage away dull skin. You can wash it off or just remove it with a damp washcloth. So let's go ahead and give this one a go. if you guys could tell, but this lip scrub is actually pretty messy, so make sure you get the pink one because I feel like it leaves a little bit of a stain, and I think it makes my lips look really good, and it does feel very moisturizing as well. But let me know if you guys like this product too, and I'm probably going to try out the other colors like the red one because that would be awesome to stain my lips red, but I definitely can see the pink still, and it was getting all over my face, but it was really easy to wash off. But now it's time to move on to the next product. So I got the Beauty Treats Coconut Lip Mask, so I can't wait to try this out because I've been needing a new lip mask. So I highly recommend you guys using a sugar scrub and then applying a lip mask so your lips will feel so good the next day. If you guys are looking for something to really moisturize your lips, then you're going to love this product so much. Honestly, I love this product way more than the lip scrub, but if you can get both, then go for it. This lip mask is seriously amazing, you guys. My lips feel so hydrated. But that is everything that I bought from Shein and Miss A. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new, definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys more in my next one.